If you're a young professional trying to build a career in Africa, you already know it can be a real challenge. But what if there was a roadmap, a blueprint for not just getting by, but for actually getting ahead? Well, that's exactly what we're digging into today, a framework for success that was born from someone's real-world journey of facing that exact same challenge.
And it all kicks off with this quote. So honest, right? I graduated from university scared. Wow, that's a feeling so many of us can relate to. That moment you have the degree in your hand, but you're also filled with this total panic about what on earth comes next. That fear, that's our starting point.
And you know, that fear, it really begs a huge question. Because for so many graduates across the continent, the reality is, well, it's tough. You're facing months of being unemployed, maybe taking underpaid jobs, and sending out CV after CV that just seem to disappear into a black hole. So if that degree isn't the golden ticket, what is? What's the missing piece of the puzzle? Well, refusing to just accept that as the way things are, the founder behind this blueprint started a search, a deep dive to figure out what actually works. In today's economy, what really gives a young person a genuine, tangible competitive edge? And all that research led to something really clear, something actionable, a blueprint for success built on 4 key pillars. And listen, these aren't just a few nice tips. These are the fundamental building blocks that can totally change your career path from one of just hoping for the best to one with real purpose and growth. All right, let's dive right in. The very first pillar, and you could argue this is the most important one of all, it's the foundation that everything else is built on top of. That's it, community. We're talking about building a professional ecosystem around you. And this idea isn't new, right? In so many cultures, community isn't just a strategy, it's just how life works. And it turns out it's also the secret sauce for professional success. And this right here is such a critical insight. Think about that for a second. Every real opportunity, not from sending out hundreds of applications into the void, but from people, from referrals, from collaborations, from a mentor who opens a door for you. Your network isn't just some nice-to-have thing, it is your single most powerful career asset. So, okay, you're part of a community, you're building connections, but you have to bring something to the table, right? That brings us straight to pillar number 2. And this one is a really big mindset shift. And listen up, this is not just for entrepreneurs. This is for everyone. I don't care if you're a doctor, a developer, an artist, whatever. You have to understand that at its very core, your career is a business. You are the CEO of You Incorporated. So here's the bottom line. You have to know how to create real value with your skills, whatever they are. And then you need to know how to exchange that value for money. It's about seeing yourself as more than just an employee. You are a value creation engine. So, creating and exchanging value, that's the game. But how we do that in today's world is changing at lightning speed. Which brings us to pillar number 3, and this is the one force you absolutely, positively cannot ignore. The message here couldn't be more clear. The world is going digital, and it's happening incredibly fast. In Africa, we're seeing this massive leapfrogging happening. And in that kind of environment, if you stand still, you are falling behind. Being tech-savvy isn't a bonus on your resume anymore. It's the price of admission. And we're talking about real practical skills here. Are you learning how to use AI to make yourself smarter and faster? Are you truly mastering the digital tools of your trade? Your ability to learn and adapt to new tech is going to pretty much define your future career path. Okay, so let's recap. You've got your community, you've got the business mindset, you got the tech skills. You'd think that's everything, right? But it's not the whole picture. Our final pillar is a little more subtle, but honestly, it might be the most powerful one of them all. This is such a profound idea. Think about it. Your skills, how good you are at the technical parts of your job, your competence, yeah, that'll get you in the door. It'll get you the interview. Maybe it'll even get you hired. But that's not what builds a lasting, successful career. I mean, look at this distinction. It's so important. Competence is the ticket to get into the game. But character is how you win the game. When a big promotion is on the line or a crucial project needs a leader, people will always, always bet on the person they trust, the one with integrity, the one who elevates the entire team. So what do we even mean by character in a professional setting? We're talking about your emotional intelligence, how you read a room and manage relationships. It's your integrity. Are you someone people can count on? And it's your ability to be a true collaborator. These are the things that build legendary careers. Okay, so now we have these four incredible pillars, but just knowing them isn't enough, right? The big question becomes, how do you actually build them? The next logical step wasn't to create just another course, but a whole system designed to bring this blueprint to life. And this is that system. SkillSync was designed to be a living, breathing version of those four pillars. It's a community-first approach where you can build your business smarts, your tech skills, and your character, all at the same time inside a network that is literally designed to create real-world opportunities for you. And this brings us right back around, full circle, to that very first pillar, community. Let's be real, building a career is a marathon, not a sprint. It's tough, and sometimes it can feel really lonely. Having a tribe, a support system, that's not a weakness. It is a powerful strategic advantage. So we've walked through the blueprint, we've seen the map, and now the focus really shifts over to you. This is your game plan. The only question left is, where are you going to start building? So I want to leave you with this question. As you look at these four pillars, community, business skills, tech skills, and character, which one are you going to focus on? What is the one skill, the one area that you are going to commit to building this year? Because your answer to that could be the first step to writing your own amazing success story.